What is good with everybody? I'm actually feeling a lot better today. I'm feeling really great. I have my car now. So supposedly it did not get stolen, but it is the government's fault because they did not document. Okay, so let me tell you, right? So in my last vlog, you know, I was talking about how, like, not necessarily somebody stole it, but construction came and moved my car somewhere out, and they did not document where they moved my car at. So I finally got it today. I did like a police report and everything, like yesterday. If you check my Instagram not too long ago, I posted about it. It was very irritating, but I now have the car. I'm on my way to the car. Hopefully it's in good shape, and hopefully there better not be no ticket on there. If there's a ticket on there, I'm fighting that because it's not my fault that they did not tell me where my car was at and it was sitting there for so long. So I'm on my way to my car, and I just hope this shit is there. Okay, so I believe I'm here at the destination of where my car was supposed to be at. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. This zone is not super there. There you go. 163rd Caldwell. Guess I'm here. But it's not at the corner of any car. So I'm kind of confused. It's probably down more. It's a black Nissan Sentra. I can't find it. He said it was at the corner. Okay.
Go straight to my channel, bro. I'll eat all the good stuff.
They crazy. But back to this car. It's supposed to be somewhere over here. He said it was at the corner. I don't see my car at any corner unless I'm blind.
Te vamos high.
Let me walk back.
¿Cómo estás?
Maybe he meant the other corner. Maybe not down this street, but
No, I'm just kidding. What's the YouTube, girl?
it's Turbao.
Oh, I need to take a picture of that. Hold up. All right, he famous. Got subscribed. What's that?
Follow me at Danny_eDanny. Follow me. I'm famous. Yes. Get me.
He's out of pocket. Huh? So I guess I'm gonna go down this way because I really don't know where my car is at. He said it was supposed to be at the corner and I don't see it at any. Oh, there's my car's right over there. I found my car officially. Okay, cool. Great. Now I can get in the car now. Okay. It was right here, right in front of my face. Like, what the fuck? They better not have no ticket on my car. This ain't no ticket, right? NYC vehicle location Bronx. If vehicles. Okay. Tollway zone. Don't know what this means. Road repair. They never put this on. No. They could have at least had called me at first to tell me that they took the car. Like, they didn't acknowledge anything. Literally, I haven't had the car for days. But at the same time, I kind of like regret it because I mean, I'm okay that I have the car, but at the same time, I don't want the car? No, you gotta be kidding me. Someone broke into my car. They literally broke into my car and destroyed everything. So, this, I don't know what to do right now. So, somebody that broke into my car, I don't know if I should call the cops or what. This is done for. Somebody, definitely destroyed my shit. I want to know what they would have took though, because I didn't have really anything special. So, but what could? Okay, let me get to this car. Somebody broke into my shit. Like, literally, they broke into it. Look at this, bro. I don't even know how to feel right now, but there was nothing really important to actually take. So, everything is here. So, they really got nothing. They got nothing out of this. They literally got nothing out of this. They literally destroyed my shit. The car is done for. This shit is insane. Okay. As you can see, somebody definitely broke into my car. They had to have gotten somewhere else too. Like, if you look over here, look, there's other people, like other big ass chunks of glass, big chunks of glass. So somebody definitely had to have break into my car. The thing is that I'm actually kind of not necessarily mad in a way. Like, I'm actually not mad. Like, I'm not driving my car. Like, I haven't drove this car in a good week and a half, guys, and it's looking crazy. It's looking crazy. Somebody really look at this. Now I gotta get a good thumbnail because this shit is crazy. Hey, you guys want to hold something real quick? Get a thumbnail of me.
Yeah, this looks fine.
I am very worried about women. Come here right quick. All right, just get like me.
Watch out.
Just get it back a little bit. Just all this shit. It's on 163rd. This shit is crazy.
It's a nice dope, man.
Appreciate you.
What's your name on YouTube?
It's Turbao, Turbao.
Let me search it.
So guys, my car is like, it's done for. It's literally done for. I don't know what to do right now, but I noticed that there's other people that also got their car fucked up too, because not just one glass did that and have piles of glass over there. So this is insane. Luckily, I did not have nothing in the car that was valuable for anybody to steal, but where's my phone? It's just the window. Turbao. So like, guys, like this is instead of I'm a YouTuber.
Okay, so my snap
Turbao,
is
Turbao.
Go follow me.
TURB what?
BAO.
BAO? Wait, what?
Turbao. It's Turbao. No. Go on
TURBAO?
YouTube.
What is it? Type it in.
Yeah, I gotcha. Somebody's calling. So hold it.
Okay, hey guys. Okay, so I am.
You said you got it?
Dude, nah, I guess I gotta file another police report.
Another one?
That's your car?
This is my car.
Got a blast, like, yo, they cracked the windows and was like, I'm outie. Like,
All right, I'm gonna see y'all later. I'm gonna talk to y'all later. I'm about to call my mom real quick. I don't know what happened.
call his mom. Wait, what's his thing?
All right, see y'all later.
Right, spell it.
All right.
TURBAO.
Yeah.
See? This stuff missing?
No, nothing was missing. There was nothing to take. Like, I had nothing in the car, so it was nothing to take.
It's actually one.
This is insane. They really dig my shits, bro. Like, this is crazy, bro.
This one.
Alright. So, I have the cops on their way right now. I guess there's gonna be another investigation going on. Damn, somebody really did that. Somebody really took the time out to smash my window. I don't know anybody here like that, so they was probably just doing it just to do it. I don't have no beef with nobody though. That's the good part about it. So yeah, it's pretty gun situation. Yeah, pretty much salty. I guess all I can do right now is just wait. I'm just gonna wait for them to get here. Damn, somebody really broke into my car. Like it's not coming to my head right now, but I gotta understand it. This is New York. Like, you really gotta watch yourself out here, literally. So this is why I never roam the streets or nothing like that. That's why I don't talk to nobody like that. I literally keep to myself because I don't have time to deal with anybody's BS. Yeah, so man, that's crazy. This is crazy. Look at my shit, man. All this is gone and done for. Damn, look at all this glass. You know how hard it's gonna clean this? Like, I need to stop touching it. I'm kind of making it worse, like, than what it already is. Like, just breaking more glass. I don't. This is crazy. What the fuck? Really? Like, literally. I'm literally lost for words. Alright, so I literally have everything situated. The cops are here, as you guys can see in the back. The cops are here. Everything is now situated with the car. I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't know. Still kind of crazy on my car, you know. Somebody really did this shit. Like, this shit kind of crazy. No cap, you know what I'm saying? That's crazy. Like, somebody really did that. But that's whatever. I'm not mad. I don't know. I'm not mad about the situation. I feel pretty. I don't know. I'm neutral right now. So it's not only my car that got messed up. It was somebody else's car. Somebody else's car after that. But